Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, Wednesday, 2nd of August. Let's go through the pairs, see what's happening with the trades. USD So we've won the trade I entered on Monday. The Tuesday one it's in the green, still running. So we leave it be for now. Hopefully it'll hit TP today. I'm gonna add another position here, and I'm gonna go as a pending. Since yesterday closed a strong bullish, I'm gonna put a pending order here, and it's gonna be a stop buy 0.01 lot. So what is happening here right now? Price is pulling back, and if this turns around and becomes a bullish candle, hits the buy stop, and I'm in a trade to reach these highs. So that's my entry for now. If it continues down, then I'll just cancel my buy stop. USD CAD, we're in a zone here, and I think I'll stay away from this for now. USD CHF, looks like we hit TP, that's good. But yeah, this current close candle bullish one it's not very strong. We've got big wicks on both sides. The size is not that large either, so I'll leave that be. There's a chance this might pull back to the previous zone. AUD CHF, it just keeps flipping. Stay away from this. So AUD New Zealand was a loss yesterday, and now we're down to these lows. Quite possibly gonna react, so I'll leave it be. AUD CAD, it's pulled back, pushed below, closed below. I kind of like this for a sell, so I'm just gonna put a sell here, and yeah, enter. Just gonna enter at market. Hopefully it keeps pushing down to these lows. We'll see. The AUD USD, also a loss. It's at this zone though. I think I'll leave it be for now, unless it breaks through. AUD JPY, I'm gonna go for a sell here. 0.01 lots. New Zealand CAD, nothing here. We had a loss on New Zealand CHF. I'm gonna leave this be. It's way too crowded here, squeezed. It's back and forth. Price is very squeezed here. Don't see any momentum. Same here, very squeezed. No movement here, leave it be. Euro pound, it's broken up, finally starting to move. Just gonna get on with this as well. Hopefully it just continues up. This keeps pushing up. I thought it's gonna bounce, but now I don't know. Still not buying into this zone. I feel like I'm waiting for a bounce that may never come. Yeah, that's the thing. Price keeps pulling into the zone, but it keeps pushing, goes higher and higher. Now it looks like it might even break this zone, but yeah. Alright, Euro, Yen. It's like it's pushed through this previous zone. It's gone up there. It's too close to this zone. I won't be able to get one-to-one, so I'll leave it be. Euro AED. It's broken out. Oh, at least I think it's broken out. I thought it was broken out here with this green one, but it didn't really, just came back in. Yeah, I think price is too squeezed here. Back and forth movements. There's another momentum, so leave it be. Nothing here either. Euro New Zealand, also nothing here. Euro CAD, same here. Pound yen. Yen. Alright, looks like it's also at this zone, so we can't buy this either. Pound AUD, same. Pound USD, I kind of like this for a sell because of a strong bearish candle, and we can just put the stop beyond the previous level, give it maybe a little bit more room. This might be a good entry. 0.01 lot. Pound CAD, nothing here. Pound CHF, oh wow. Look at this. Literally went to a pip to my take profit, smashed down and came down to a pip to my, well, not to a pip, but came close to my stop loss. And that's just today. It's been an hour. I think I'm gonna close this here at break even. Unfortunately, we missed the take profit, so but I'm gonna go for a sell here. And the reason is this strong quick rejection. The market 0.01 lots. Pound New Zealand. Oh my god, never mind. CAD CHF. Alright, we're in a red. So what our job is right now is to manage this. So I'm gonna have a look at the lower time frame here, and let's put this on 15 minutes. Let's see what we have. Right, obviously smashing down right now. This looks like in a trend, but it might pull back up to maybe these highs around here. So I'm gonna put two alerts. One is here, these highs, and I'm gonna put another alert to these lows, because if it comes back to these lows, it's most likely gonna continue down. Might as well cut the loss. Yeah, that's based on 15 minutes. So if it continues down, then it's keeping to this trend, and then we should close before it falls down to our stop loss. If it pulls back, most likely pulls back to these previous highs, at which point we can monitor and close at the break even or small loss. CAD JPY still in a buy. It didn't move yesterday. I'm gonna leave it be. Still holding at that level is likelihood for it to go up. CHF JPY, so it keeps moving up, but I can't enter because of this zone. Too risky. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted tomorrow. Take care.